Excuse me, could you help me for a moment?
Sure.
I'm looking for Central Park. Do you know how to get there?
Yes, it's really easy. Just follow this road and keep going straight. Then turn left on the second set of lights. You'll then see Central Park right in front of you.
Okay, so follow this road and keep going straight. Then turn left on the second set of traffic lights. Is that right?
That's correct.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome.
Excuse me. I was wondering if you could help me.
Sure.
I'm looking for this address, 19 Grant Street. But I think I'm lost. I have no idea how to get there. Do you know where this address is located?
Let me think. You're going the wrong way. You need to walk the opposite way.
Walk the opposite way?
Yes, the opposite way. Keep walking along the street for around 300 meters until you see a fire station on your left-hand side. Then take the next left. That'll be Grant Street. From there, you can easily find number 19.
Thank you so much.
Don't mention it.
Hi, I'd like to grab a taxi to my hotel, but it seems there's no taxis available. How can I reach my hotel from here?
Unfortunately, all taxi drivers are on strike today. The only available modes of transportation from the airport are trains and buses. Which hotel will you be staying at?
The Milton Hotel, located in the city center.
Then I suggest you take the City Express train from platform number 2. It'll be faster and more convenient than taking a bus. The City Express train will take you directly to Central Square Station. When you arrive at the station, head to exit number 3. From there, it's less than a minute walk to your hotel. You can't miss it.
So I need to take the City Express train at platform number 2 and then get off at Central Square Station, exit number 3.
Yes, that's exactly right.
Okay, great. Thank you very much for your help.
My pleasure.
Good morning, and welcome to Reynolds Hydro Corp. How can I be of assistance today?
Hi, my name is John Wall, and I'm here to see Samantha Craig, head of marketing. I have an appointment with her today at 11 a.m.
Okay, one moment, please. Let me just verify with Samantha first, and I'll let you know as soon as she is ready. Please take a seat over there.
Thank you.
Mr. Wall, Samantha is ready to see you now. Please head up to meeting room 4 on the marketing department floor where she'll be waiting for you.
Thank you very much. I'm sorry. Could you tell me how to get to meeting room 4?
Certainly. Take the elevator up to the 11th floor. This will lead you to the marketing department.
When you exit the elevator, walk straight to the end of the corridor and then turn left. You will see the sign for meeting room 4 on your right.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
Excuse me, could you tell me where the nearest pharmacy is located? I'm not feeling too well.
Oh, I'm very sorry to hear that. Would you like me to get you any medicine?
No, that's okay. Could you just tell me how to get to the nearest pharmacy?
Certainly. When you leave the main hotel entrance, head down 4 blocks. Then turn right onto 4th Avenue. Walk for another 2 blocks, and then turn left onto 5th Street. The pharmacy will be located immediately on your left.
So let me try and remember. From the hotel entrance, head down 4 blocks, then turn right onto 4th Avenue. Am I right so far?
That's correct.
Then when I'm on 4th Avenue, walk for another 2 blocks, and then turn right onto 5th Street. Is that right?
No, that's incorrect. You have to turn left onto 5th Street.
Turn left onto 5th Street?
Correct.
Okay, I understand. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Hope you get better soon.
I hope so too.